Welcome to SPB Machinery. This festive season, let's take you on a journey of paper products which is affordable for several fooding purposes. Presenting the USPs of ACM 4000 double wall machine. Speed is 90 to 100 pieces per minute. Cup height will be up to 130 millimeters. Ripple and hollow both is possible. Total power is 5 kilowatts. Machine weight is 1800 kilograms. Machine size is 2350 by 960 by 1700 millimeters. ACM 4000 double wall machine is your way to success. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact SPB Machinery today.